urera ale ange amari lakini niwe napenda.
Huyo tunakaanga naye sababu ya mtoto.
Tunakaanga naye sababu ya mtoto.
Unajua sasa niliona badala ya kumfukuza naenda na mtoto wangu na mimi napenda mtoto. Mtoto hakuwa na shida.
Ni wewe na huyo mtoto mimi napenda.
Ma,
ni wewe na huyo mtoto.
Mimi nakupenda.
You know, yeah, it's a girl and named after my mother.
Yes.
It's a girl.
The most precious gift I have ever gifted myself. Imagine my mother.
Ni katika hii dunia mimi napenda watu watatu.
My mother,
na wewe,
na mtoto.
Na huyo mtoto.
I can do anything for you.
Nagabo hiki tono wako ria wetagwo Kirimerire. Akameria munyongoro ndua no rurigi gataratari kana gekira gwa iguru
nginya kuyamerie guoko kwa mute
akuyagucie mute uri wothe akuyamerie mute ucio maheni matheri
na ni aramenya ni maheni.
And when still you go back into that house,
yes,
you know, sometimes you even don't understand. When you still go back into that house,
yes,
there is the warmth. Na maundu maya makiragirwo mutumia riu wa mburi tondu maundu maria meragirwo mutumia wa mburi muthuri ni makoragwo me mutigaru muno na andu angi makona guku nja.
Yes,
makoragwo me tofauti muno.
Yes,
they are different. Mareragirwo no arathi na mbere na kwirirwo ona uria gwikirwo no arathi na mbere na gwikirwo
na kuhingirio.
Riria mukahitania tuike ati muiretu uri ati ni mahitania na kandeno ni wacoka kuhingukirwo agakirwo we wari wa good time.
Yes, ihinda riaku riu ni ithiru.
Yes, no riu ni acio riu aria mekuo tha eno ri maraingira mari ogi mo everything.
Ni aramenya you just want to have fun.
Taru miaka ino yothe ndurite njugite ati ndina nyina wa mburu mundu angiuka gukwa gwika atia na no mokaga.
Toma, can we name them?
That's you coming.
Na ni maona maiguaga. Yes.
And audacious by the way.
Yes.
Yeah.
Audacity.
And they have no choose.
No.
Yeah, they will tell you I know.
Yes, kwani yeye ndiye nataka si mimi wewe nimeombe niambia.
Si ndio?
Yes, yeye ni.
Alenda ndimwire atia. Ndimwire ati I'm married but it is you I love.